Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So my today topic is, as we know, as we age, wrinkles appear on our face or neck and hands. So how can we fight these wrinkles at home by adapting some natural methods? So there are tips how to fight wrinkles. Number 1, sleep. Nothing can be more effective to ease out those fine lines appearing on the skin. As you sleep, the body goes into the restoration mode and at the same time secretes the human growth hormone. HGH plays a quintessential role in keeping your skin more elastic and less prone to wrinkles. If your body is deprived of rest, it results in an increase in the production of cortisol, which breaks down the skin cells, triggering wrinkle formation. Make sure you sleep on your back. Sleeping on your sides can cause wrinkles on that side to increase. Number 2, de-stress. Lighten up, for stress can have adverse effect on your beauty. Stress along with anxiety and tension could make your skin thin and weaker and prone to wrinkles. Indulge in recreational activities so that stress does not get to you. Think about all the good things in your life and smile. A smile will help you beat the stress and banish those wrinkles. Life often brings unexpected situations at you. You need to learn the techniques of keeping calm, no matter how challenging or adverse the situation may be. Stay relaxed all the time and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 3, drink and rinse. On an average, adult is advised to drink at least 1 to 2 liters of water in a day. However, studies indicate that you should drink 5 to 6 liters of water in a day to keep your organs healthy. Drinking ample amount of water helps your body flush out toxic waste. A clean inside reflects on the body outside. Number 4, trim those bangs. Trimming those bangs if you are over 25 is a sure way to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your forehead. A quick trim will round you up your face, accentuate your features and reduce wrinkles. Try it. We are not kidding you on this one. Number 5, the sun, the ultimate villain. Yes, the sun is the most crucial factor that contributes to the generation of wrinkles. The harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun are extremely damaging for the skin and deplete it of its natural moisture. The weakened collagen fails to protect the skin from further damage. The risk of skin cancer also increasingly if you step out in the sun every day without any protection. So do not forget to use an umbrella or a hat the next time you step out. Number 5, scarf up. Non-radical issues such as pollution affect your skin the most. Use a scarf if you have to step out for long hours to protect your face from exposure to dust and pollution. Cleanse your skin with a mild face wash replenished with antioxidants for dirt, grime, and wrinkle-free skin. Number 7. Soak in SPF. As mentioned above, extensive exposure to the sun damage the skin beyond repairable level. Studies suggest that while vitamin D is a blessing to skin, exposing yourself to the ultraviolet rich sun rays for a long time does more harm than good. It accelerates skin aging, resulting in the early onset of wrinkles. Be liberal while using sunscreen. Opt for a sunscreen that has high SPF. Also choose a product that is water-based and does not contain harmful chemicals. Apply it even during cloudy days. Apply it at least 15 minutes before your dry rest with the sun. And reapply every 4 to 6 hours. Number 8. Quit smoking and alcohol. Apart from being hazardous to your health, smoking can also cause wrinkles. This carcinogens in cigarettes acts as a toxic plastic bag around your pretty face, blocking and depriving it of oxygen. This exaggerates the pace with which wrinkles reappear on your skin. So say goodbye to smoking. It may sound stereotyped, yet you should quit alcohol as soon as you can. If you are unable to resist and alcohol completely, you should set a limit on the intake. Number 9. It can be the genes sometimes. Strange but true, wrinkles can be the result of several genetics factors. In some families, people look aged in their mid-40s. On the contrary, in other families, the members might look young even in their 70s. Therefore, you should consider the genetic factors as far as wrinkles are concerned. However, it does not necessarily imply that genetically driven wrinkles cannot be removed. You can still get rid of them with proper skin care. Acupuncture to get rid of wrinkle. This ancient Chinese method of healing and treating multiple ailments seems to have a solution even for wrinkles. Tiny acupuncture needles are inserted at different points to reinstate healthy flow of energies. This causes the body fluids to flow freely and perform optimum functions. Facial acupuncture also enhances collagen production. Multiple sessions can enhance skin health and reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and skin folds. Wrinkles are a natural effect of skin aging. With a reduction in collagen production, the skin loses its elasticity and develops lines and creases. However, environment toxins, sun damage, pollutants, stress, lack of D3, smoking, and poor diet have made wrinkles an increasingly common issue among the younger generation. Fine lines, deep furrows, and loose skin are the common signs of wrinkle. Home remedies for wrinkles are the alternative to surgeries or treatment like Botox if you want to get rid of them. Natural oils like coconut, castor, argan, and jojoba grapeseed extract, and apple cider vinegar, honey, egg white, and face masks. Using natural ingredients like yogurt, radish seed, papaya, banana, almond, and are effective in helping to remove wrinkles from the face and neck. I hope you like the video, and please give me thumbs up, and if you have any query, please comment me in comment section, and hopefully you gained best results. Thank you.